Good job.
This is Frank putting 40 more rubber bands on the golden egg.
Over there, Nick. 10 more.
The golden egg from the team is not looking very good right now. It's definitely been
Frank, take 5 rubber
split.
bands off and reverse them, and then put them back on.
There you go, Frank. Getting him on that edge.
I need some more.
Wow, that thing is looking toast, dude. Look at it. Look it up close. Look at the golden egg. That's what they used to look like. That's what it looks like now. He still has a pile of rubber bands to put on. The golden egg is not looking so good.
Not looking good at all. Got no way to put these things on here anymore.